Hello everybody, check out this little eBay score I picked up a week or so ago. They had a $75 opening bid on this Dayton 6-inch bench grinder. So it was about 2 o'clock in the morning. I dropped one bid and woke up on Sunday and got it for the starting bid for 75 bucks plus shipping. So it was $104 to my door. They don't make this model anymore, I don't believe. This is a 4Z123F as in Frank. It's a third horse 6-inch like I'd stated, but check it out. It came in the original box. Still got the cord bound up on it. Everything's here. The only thing it didn't come with was a manual, but pretty sure I know how to put this thing together and use it. And I was really surprised. Usually the shields that come with grinders are real thin and cheesy. This is a 1/4 inch thick acrylic. Very surprised on that. Plus, it's just got 2 holes with the screws and the plate on it, so not that I even use these, but if I did, be nothing to replace these without having to buy special stuff. You know, cast aluminum tables, all the bolts, everything seems to be here. I thought that was a pretty good score. I wasn't even in the market for one, just happened to see it. And to flick it on here and let you hear it. Nothing's even been dressed. I mean, that's a sweet sounding machine right there. I've already got, I think, 4 bench grinders, but that's one thing you never can have enough of is bench grinders, so you don't have to keep swapping your stones and brushes and buffer wheels or whatever. You know, you don't need real expensive stuff. You just need something that spins, that's reliable. But this thing is absolutely brand new. Even the guards on the side are cast. They're not just stamped steel like on the rest of my stuff. So just thought I'd show that with you. Just another example that if you're just looking around and patient sometimes, you can get outstanding buys on eBay, even if you have to pay a lot for shipping like I did here, because this is quite heavy. So I've got to figure out a place to put it. Well, alright, I've got it all dressed up now, sporting all of its equipment that it came with. I went ahead and put the guards on it. These are so big and nice, I might actually try to use them for a change. I usually don't even load that stuff up on anything I have because they're so thin, brittle, they get all scratched up, and they're almost a hindrance and a safety hazard in my opinion, even though they're supposed to be for safety. If you can't see very well, then you're going to end up grinding the end of your finger off. You guys know what I mean. So I did a little bit of research. Grainger sells an equivalent to this. I guess they have a newer model. This one came out of Taiwan at some point. The new ones, apparently, they're coming out of China. But it sells for 158 and change plus tax. So roundabout in my area, it'd be about 174 bucks. Well, I'm 104 in this, so I'll call myself $70 ahead, and I got a brand new old stock grinder that runs beautifully so far. So I think I did okay with that. And for that 70 bucks, I could buy a new grinder if I needed one. I lied. I said I already had 4. This would make 5. That's not true. I gave one away, so this makes 4. So I need to load it up and get my proper wheels on it and get these wheels off of it. Chew it up, put it into use. I think the only modification I'm going to make to it, one, I added some washers behind here where they just kind of skimped me on 4 with their design. I didn't like the way this bracketry was going to rub on the casting, and it's kind of hard to adjust. 4 washers, easy mod there. I am going to make knurled thumb wheels for all the adjustment points so I don't have to use a wrench. It's not that I move these things around all that much. I do most of my stuff offhand. I use that to support my hand. So, but I'll make it toolless anyway, so if I do want to adjust it, I don't have to make a wrench or find a wrench. So just a little bit of information on these grinders. You can pick up good scores here and there like I'd said, so I'm completely satisfied with it. And I don't own one that's this quiet. I'm really surprised. I'll turn it on again. Like I said, the wheels haven't even been trued. I don't know if it picks up on the camera, but that is just super, super quiet. And it's well balanced right out of the box for the most part. I feel a little bit of vibration in it, but nothing really worth noting. So just a little tool gloat. I'm happy with it. Thanks for watching, guys, and good luck.